Now, dear students, welcome to a very interesting topic in our learning of Arduino using Vocvi. Today's topic is very important because in the coming videos, this topic, if you understand it very well, then it will be very easy for you to write code for your embedded system application. So the topic we will study today is about the strings in Arduino. We have also studied this in our data type video, in which we have discussed about the strings. So these strings are very important. Their purpose is, the number one purpose is, you can store text using these strings, and then the other purpose is you can display text by using the strings. Thirdly, you can even display your text. You can display text on the on LCD, and you can also display text on serial monitor. If you understand the strings very well, you can do these three purposes. Not only you can even store text, you can display text, but if someone presses a character or a text on the keyboard, you can take input, and that input is stored in the text form in the strings. So you can take input, or you can also say that character input from keyboard is also stored in the strings. So we have studied in our data type videos that a string is actually a combination of characters. You can also say that a string is an array of character. We have studied about the arrays. If you write like character data type, then you write my string, then like this, or you can even specify over here the length of the character. Let's say I am going to write the length of this as 6, and then I can initialize this array with the help of these brackets and then this single inverted commas. Then I can write h is a character, then comma, then again this e, then comma, l, then comma, then I can write again comma, and then I can write O, and the hello is complete. As you already know that string is terminated by a null character, so over here I can write over here as 0, so that the serial print can understand that this is the end of the string. So in this way, I have done that I have declared a character data type and a variable of an array, my string array of data type character, and initialize the array with the hello, and on index 0 it's h, on index 1 is e, on index 2 it's l, on index 3 it's l again, and on index 0 1 2 3 4, on index 4 it's actually the again the o, and then at the index 5 it's the 0, the null terminator. So this is one way to write string by giving characters on different index of the array. The next thing we can do is we can also write string in this way. You can declare a data type char, and you can write the name of the string, let's say my str1, and then these square brackets. In square brackets you don't need to specify now the length, simply is equal to, then in double inverted commas you can write hello, and then at the end semicolon. So these are two different ways that in which we can declare a string in the Arduino. Both are actually same, that if I print both the my string and my string 1 on the serial monitor, the result will be the same. So in this chapter we will learn about strings, objects and use of string in Arduino sketches, and hopefully by the end of this chapter you will be able to learn which type of string to use in the sketches. Now in order to verify that these both methods to write the string are the same or not the same, let's print this on serial monitor. First of all, let's comment these words as we have just written for our understanding, and let's cut from this over here and paste it in the void setup. After that, let's write serial dot print line, and in that let's pass our string mystr, and after that let's also print our string mystr1. Let's save our project and let's run the simulation. Now you can see that both have printed the same result if you declare your correct string like this, or if you write your string like this. In the coming videos we will try to manipulate the strings that are declared like this, and after that we will study how to manipulate the strings that are declared in this method. So hope you have understood the basics of the string. In the coming videos we will try to learn how to manipulate these strings.